Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo Y200 5G. It's launched on May 2024. Mentions of Vivo Y200 5G, height 6.39 inches, width 2.95 inch, thickness 8 mm, the weight is 196 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Vivo Y200 5G Type A AMOLED 1 billion color and the screen size is 6.67 inch with 89.3% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 4500 nits peak of brightness, and the screen protection is not available at this time. The platform of Vivo Y200 5G, it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A715. The GPU is Adreno 720 and the memory of Vivo Y200 5G, it comes with 8 and 12 gigs of RAM and 256 by 12 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup of Vivo Y200 5G, it comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and it records 4K 30fps video. The front camera is 16 megapixel and it records 1080p 30fps video. The battery backup, the Vivo Y200 5G has 6000 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wired charging. No wireless charging in this mobile and it supports 7.5 watt reverse wired charging. The common and the feature, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, infrared port, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 2.2 and IP64 dust and water resistant. The price of Vivo Y200 5G is $299.